Welcome to the HR Learning Hub, where we decode HR concepts, dive into people analytics, and learn how to tell stories, not just share numbers. In the previous video, we explored the recruitment dashboard and understood the dataset we will need to build it. In this video, we will create something very important in Power BI dashboards, a calendar table. Now, you might wonder if we have open date or close date in our tables, in our data sets, why do we need a separate calendar table? The reason is Power BI works best when time intelligence calculations are handled through a dedicated calendar table. Without calendar table, sometimes time-based analysis produce incomplete or inconsistent results. Now let's jump in and see how we can create a calendar table quickly. We go to our new dashboard that we are creating, go to modeling, go to new table. To create calendar table, we will write simple DAX formula. Calendar equals to calendar. So for us, in our data set, we see the data is from 2025. So I will put the start date as 01/01/2025. This is the start date, comma, end date. End date I will enter as today. An alternate way is also to do a min and max formula. So min of open date would have also worked for us. But for now, I will keep start date as 1/1/2025 and end date I will keep open as today. Enter. Let's come to the table view. Calendar table is created with the column date. This formula generates continuous list of dates between the earliest date mentioned in the formula and the latest date which we mentioned as today. Now we have a dedicated table containing all the dates required for time analysis. Make sure that your data set contains all the dates between this range. If there are any dates that are out of this range, then you may get some errors in the results. To make calendar table more useful, we usually add more columns to it, like month, year, or combination of month and year. Let's see how we can create those columns. Now, next column that I want over here is year. So we go to new column, write another simple DAX query. Year is equals to year. We want year from this column. So we will write calendar table and date. So this will extract year from the date column. So we have 2025 over here. So we've got 2025 for the results. Now let's do another one, which is quarter. Go back to column tools, new column. We will do quarter is equals to quarter calendar date. Helpful when you are doing quarter-wise analysis. I will modify the formula a little. I will add a prefix. So I will do QTR space close. So now this will give me QTR1, which is quarter 1, QTR2, which is quarter 2. See. Okay, and then next one, new column. I want to find out month. Month number is equals to month from calendar date. This will give me month number 1 to 12. See this. But I want month name as well. So we will do another column, new column. Month is equals to format, calendar date, comma, MN. So this will give us Jan, Feb, March. Now one last, because if you see in our dashboard, we are using month and year combination, June 2025, July 2025, August 2025. So for that, we will have one more column, which is month underscore year. Month underscore year is equals to format, calendar date, comma, MMNYY. So this gives us Jan 25, Feb 25, March 25. Now month number is also very important. Whenever you are creating a calendar table, always have month number. I will show you why in my upcoming videos. Our calendar table is now ready. This is a basic calendar table that you can use in any of your dashboards. One quick check that I always do at this step, because later when I get error, it saves a lot of time to decode. Date, most of the data that we use in HR would not contain timestamp. So select date column and come here and select long date as the format. Second thing that you need to do is go to your tables. I have open date over here. See if the data type is date or not. If not, please change it and correct it. In case it is text or number or anything, then correct it to date. For close date, also it is date. Okay. For candidate details, I have joining date. This is also date. The format is long date. So next step is creating a relationship. Let's go to model view and we see a new table over here, which is calendar table. I want this to be connected to position details. We will connect date from calendar table to open date. Save. So this becomes our primary connection. But we also have joining date or position close date. And if you see, our graph over here is as per the total hires by month and year. For that, I will do one more connection, which is date to close date. This dotted connection is a secondary connection. When we learn to create that graph, we will understand what is the difference between primary and secondary connection. When can they become active and inactive? By creating a calendar table and linking it properly, we can now analyze our data more accurately, especially if it contains multiple dates column. In the next video, we will start building the key recruitment matrix. And one such matrix we will learn how to create with a measure using a DAX formula. If you are in HR and interested in learning to make different dashboards on Excel and Power BI, make sure to subscribe to HR Learning Hub. And if you haven't watched part 1 of this series, I will leave the link to playlist above. If you're finding my videos helpful, please like and comment. This motivates me to create more such content. Also, in case you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button. Bye-bye for now. Until next time, keep learning.